Hello guys and welcome. One of the joys of owning a watch is that you can actually change the look of it just by replacing the bracelet with any other straps of your liking. In this case, we're talking about the RADO Captain Cook, and what I have here is a Nato strap for it that I purchased online from the RADO website. I should mention that this was a smooth and enjoyable retail experience. First off, the packaging is quite something. I was kind of expecting a cheap plastic sleeve or things of that nature, but this packaging turned out to be quite amazing. And here it is, the Nato strap itself. I went for this beautiful dark green just to match the bezel of the watch, which is also green. I own my share of cheap Nato straps, but this one is one of a kind. They also included this little envelope with hey, spare spring bars, and the kind you don't need any tools with. That's a nice touch. Let's get it out. This is what I call a nice Nato strap. There's also a different weaving center and sides, and the area where the pin goes is reinforced with leather. That's attention to details. The buckle and keepers are machined with a mix of brushed and polished surfaces, really classy, and the Anchor logo is dead in the center right where the pin is. Now the beauty of the Captain Cook is that you don't need any tools to remove the bracelet and to replace it with a Nato strap. The reason is because of the easy clip spring bars. They can be taken off easily by just pulling at those tabs there, no tools required. So let's do it. As usual with the Nato straps, the first thing you're going to want to do is slip the end of it in between the lugs, starting from the top of the case at the 12 o'clock position. And here it is. What a beautiful strap indeed. Very, very nice. I have a 17cm wrist and it fits perfectly with no excess to tuck in on the last keeper, which is normally what I do. Actually, I wonder about the length of the strap itself. If I had a bigger wrist, I probably wouldn't have made it to the last keeper, ending with a loose flapping tip, but I got lucky. That's not the case here. Really good quality, a perfect match for my Captain Cook. Couldn't ask for better. And with that said, I thank you guys for watching, and I will see you in the next one.